Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well. Having another great day. In this video, I just wanted to acknowledge the profitability for Neoxa being at the top of the charts, and I've been getting bombarded by people saying, Red Panda, what's going on? Why is Neoxa going to the moon? And so here I am. I'm gonna make the video about it, and there's a few things where I'm gonna correlate that to the reasons why Neoxa is pumping. And so I want to talk with you all in this video and just go through a lot, and also show you some highlights of my 100k Neoxa bounty for my head, where I did a live stream and we played Rust and it was great. I just want to show you guys a quick highlight, and as well I do want to show you guys a highlight regarding Neoxa craft with the Mining King, which was a lot of fun. I think this is a great way where you can be playing Minecraft or Rust or other potential games coming out in the future and you can earn Neoxa. I really think it's awesome here. But guys, before I do that, this video is sponsored by HeroMiners.com. For the month of September, they are removing all of their fees. No block reward fee, no payout fees for their Ethereum Classic, Ergo, and Ravencoin mining pools. And additionally, no parallel asset fee on their Flux pool, where parallel assets are added instantly to their payable balance. Not only that, they are giving away $1,500 in total, where at each of Ethereum Classic, Ergo, Flux, and Ravencoin, you can win $250 in 4 separate giveaways and $500 in one big combined giveaway. Hero Miners makes it easy for you to mine with 12 regions across the world, single port variable difficulty, pool and solo mining support, and in-depth stats for your crypto that you are mining. Join HeroMiners.com today, link down below. Alright, so the biggest reason why I'm making this video is because I had a lot of people that wanted me to acknowledge this and just talk about it. And so yeah, I'm doing this like maybe like 5 hours before this video is making. It's like 2 a.m. right now. It's super early. I'm super tired, but I have a lot of energy to do this video right now. So here I am. I'm showing you guys right now an 8x3070 rig on what to mine. As of recording, it is making about $13.84 a day right now. That, I'm gonna say right now, is probably not gonna last a long time. Judging by, you know, right now you can see Neoxa on TradeOgre did go up a lot. It looks like it did crash down quite a bit, but as you can see, it did have a massive pump and then a big sell-off here, but looks like it came back up, but then it looks like it's kind of leveling off here. I'm not sure how long it's going to be sustaining here. So looking at the profitability, I'm going to have to say it's going to be short-lived. In my opinion, the volume liquidity is nothing like, you know, Ethereum or Ethereum Classic relative to what their network difficulty and hash rate is. So what is going on now is that a lot of people are mining Neoxa now. The network hash rate and the difficulty are going up, and thus the profitability is going to start coming down as more people are going to be moving over towards mining Neoxa, which is a great thing. I definitely support Neoxa as a project. I also support Flux, you know, Ergo, Ravencoin, a bunch of other proof of work coins. I'm supporting Ethereum in a sense, but honestly, the way that they're going, and you know, I don't want to get political here. I really don't like the way like they're going to become a centralized coin, and I don't think that's going to be great for the project. Prove me wrong. Let me know down below. I'm just giving you my opinion, not financial advice. Anyway, going through here, Neoxa, okay, big pump, just a massive pump. And just for transparency, I have been mining them on my AMD cards. I am going to do a video soon of turning back on my 6600 XTs. As most of you may know, I'm in the process of moving right now, so I've had my mining cave tower down for quite a while. But before that, I was mining Neoxa, you know, got a good little bag. But I'm not selling. I believe in Neoxa for the long term. They're coming out with great stuff. And so here we go. The reasons why I think Neoxa went and just pumped recently is because 9 hours ago, as of recording this video, they said that they now have the USDT trading pair on TradeOgre. So if we go to TradeOgre right now, and we can see here USDT and Neoxa. So I'm going to assume that this had something to do with it. How it could be a potential, I don't know, some sort of market making going on here, just helping the volume and liquidity for Neoxa on the LTC Neoxa. I'm just speculating. I'm not quite sure how all that works. But as of right now on TradeOgre, there is LTC to Neoxa and then USDT to Neoxa. All right. Now, the second tweet I want to mention here is 11 hours ago as of recording. Neoxa Craft finally goes live tomorrow. Who's ready? Okay, so this is for on Minecraft, and if you play on their servers, you can earn Neoxa by playing Minecraft, essentially. I don't know the specifics of, you know, if it's like mining blocks or, you know, building houses or, you know, all that stuff, farming. I'm not quite sure what is the specifics in terms of what you can earn. I'm sure they have that on their Discord, and you guys should definitely go join the Discord to learn more. But I did play in their Neoxa Rust about, this was streamed on July 6th. Okay, so it's about a good, almost 2 months ago. And I did a 100k Neoxa bounty for my head. I'm just going to play a highlight clip here of when I essentially got killed. And the person who killed me, whoever killed me first, would get 100k Neoxa from me personally. And there we go. I got wrecked and in Rust here, and Mr. MD Damage 46 was the guy who won 100k for my head. So I thought that was pretty awesome. And then yeah, that was really fun. So you can play on the Rust server right now, and you can earn Neoxa, right? Play games, get Neoxa, why not, right? Now, the next one here is with the Mining King and also Big Wooly. We streamed together in Minecraft here on their server, and it was super fun. And we also played with a bunch of other people like Andy from Neoxa and Harvey, the developers of Neoxa. And yeah, it was a lot of fun. I see Crypto Ducky here, and look at that. Look at Harvey on his little high horse here. Yeah, that was a lot of fun. But ultimately, yeah, there's many ways you can earn Neoxa in Minecraft. So yeah, that's launching tomorrow or today as you guys are watching this video. So I used to play Minecraft a decent bit. Neoxa Craft is a Minecraft server by Neoxa. The server allows players to earn Neoxa by playing Minecraft and other games. When Proof of Game goes live on Neoxa Craft, players can earn Neox by playing Bed Wars, Survival, or Factions game modes. A skyblock will be added soon. The website is currently being worked on and is not yet complete. As soon as Neoxa Craft Proof of Game goes live, the website will be up. Neoxa Craft website. Okay, so it looks like is it up here? But yeah, this is pretty cool. Okay, so you guys can earn Neoxa if you're a Minecraft player. Get on it, earn some Neoxa, or get some money at the same time. Why not, right? And why not? Okay, so that's really the two things, the reasons why I think Neoxa has been going up in price here is because of the USDT trading pair and the Neoxa Craft. Okay, Minecraft. So I think that's pretty awesome. And whether or not it's going to be sustained in terms of the profitability, well, remains to be seen, as more and more people are going to move over on mining with their GPUs. Let's just see what 86700 XT does right now. Yeah, and that's going to be on Neoxa, about $3 more than Ethereum as of right now. But I'm going to assume, as you guys are watching this video, it's going to be probably under Ethereum after things start leveling out and as more people move to Neoxa. Right, the difficulty is going to go higher, right? And so that's how the calculation for the daily profitability, as more people come on, it's probably going to get less and less. But if the price of Neoxa keeps going higher and higher and higher relative to the difficulty, you know, all the variables together, block reward, the block times, the price of the coin, network difficulty, all those things come together is how it equates to the profitability that we're seeing on What to Mine. But hey, I'm pretty excited that Neoxa is showing here, and I hope to see you guys on the Minecraft server. I'll go play with the Mining King and Big Wooly and Chump Change and a few other content creators that have been playing as well. I think this is a pretty awesome project, and I think you guys will have fun for those that like to play games like Minecraft or Rust even. Okay, so guys, let me know your thoughts and how many of you were mining Neoxa during the low times, right? That I think it goes to show that mining when things are low, when things are not profitable for the coin, that you can essentially, win out when a big pump happens, right? Assuming you can, sell at that perfect moment. But, generally speaking, spec mining and, mining when mining coins that no one else is mining and waiting for them to pump, that's been a strategy for a lot of people. And if that's one that you want to play, then sure. But for Neoxa, I believe in Neoxa in the long term. And I believe this is a great way to essentially bridge the gap between gamers and miners. And more so where gamers can essentially get more into cryptocurrency in general. I would say, you know, gaming and crypto, not many gamers are into crypto because of the stigma against GPU miners in a sense. So maybe this will help with adoption, and, you know, gamers will be more privy to Neoxa or any other crypto that's out there, get them into the ecosystem in a sense. So I think this is great for the ecosystem as a whole. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.